Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Thursday, May 2nd, 2024. Before I click on the charts, I just want to encourage you to please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos. Daily analysis in the SPY and the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and the Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week out to the 3 to 5 month swing trader. We're always looking for 20% swings on those or 20% moves on those individual stock picks. So check out wickedstocks.com. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So if you don't like what you see, you can bow out at no cost to you whatsoever. Check out wickedstocks.com. On with the charts. I'm going to just jump right to this structure here, this daily chart, this channel top or at 885.11 that we tested on Tuesday of this week and fallen away from now. Able to contain weekly buying pressures. And following the testing of this formation, I'm mentioning how 727.45 should be considered in reach over the next 2 to 3 weeks. So if we were to retest 885.11, it could be an opportunity, for instance, to reach for, 720, 700 strike out of the money puts that don't expire. I would go at least a month out, probably more like 2 months out, even though I don't think it's any more than a 2 to 3 week play. And that remains the dynamic. That is the 2 to 3 week outlook. Now, on the way down, of course, we have this former channel top at 796.30. We came kind of close to testing that actually on Wednesday. It can contain session weakness. And from here, we can round back up to 885.11 over the next 1 to 3 days or so, where once again, we can top out through next week and once tested, fall back to 727.45 over the following 2 to 3 weeks. On the way up today, I do have 860 even. Simple channel structure, able to contain intraday buying pressures. It actually performed pretty well yesterday. And, once tested, we can fall off perhaps through the rest of the day, perhaps back to 796.30. If we close today above 860 even, then we should test quite easily, retest, I should say, the 885.11 formation, where we can top out through next week. And if settled above, would be a significant buy signal through May. I would ultimately anticipate the 1120.26 rising channel top as a 1 to 2 month objective. So if we close above 885.11, I see no good reason to be short NVIDIA as we move into June activity. You should, I think, neutralize or liquidate any, puts that you may have acquired, any short positions that you may have, and in turn go long, or perhaps reach for 1150, 1200 strike out of the money calls that don't expire. I would go 6 months out on that. I think it's no more than a 2-month play, but you really don't want to see theta eat away at the value of your out of the money call purchase. On the way up, if we close above 885.11, we still have that March all-time high of 974. This would be a 3 to 5 day objective. But right now, I would call the 3 to 5 day dynamic as you could consider bottom picking 796.30, but I say ever so carefully because of our anticipation of falling to 727.45 over the next couple of weeks or so. And if we do actually close today below 796.30, that is a downward continuation point. We've already pivoted south off of 885.11, but 796.30 can create hesitation for 1 to 3 days, and from here we could rally back to 885.11 over the next couple of days, but we are anticipating 727.45 dropping daily. Sorry about that. And if we close today below 796.30, you can see we're just a few days away, actually, from then testing 727.45, where we could bottom out on a weekly basis, round back up to the 885.11 channel top within a couple of weeks. A longer term, if we were to close below 727.45, I would expect, this is a weekly chart, October 22 low, significant low against that March all-time high, a 3/8 downside Fibonacci is 643.24. So if we were to close below the 796 727.30. Bear with me. I'm sorry, 727.45. So we don't even have 727.45 shown here just yet. We do have 796.30, of course, and 762. This is probably worth mentioning for the day that, if we break or open below 796.30, 762 even is actually likely on an intraday basis where we can bottom out for the day. But closing below this formation, I do think you should anticipate then 727.45 within 3 to 5 days where we can bottom out through next week. And I'll say it one more time that if we were to close below 727.45, I would expect 643.24 within 1 to 3 weeks, depending on volatility, and we can bottom out in this zone on a monthly, possibly quarterly basis. Let's talk upside just one more time. And I want to mention how we've got 860 even as intraday resistance. By the way, all the minor points are carefully chosen. They all have meaning. I don't know if you've noticed yet or not. We've only been doing the daily NVIDIA for a couple of weeks now, but they do often hold meaningful intraday highs and lows. But if we push through 860, 885.11 in reach possibly today, where we can top out through next week, and once again, below which channel support that is presently at 727.45 remains a 2 to 3 week target. If, for whatever reason, we close today above 885.11, 974 even, likely by the end of next week and over the next couple of months, this 1120.26 rising channel top. I think I pretty much said it all. I'm going to leave it at that for Thursday's NVIDIA. Please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com. I'll be back tomorrow with Friday's NVIDIA report. You have a great day.